Halika na't sumama sa biyahe ng buhay, kasama si Super Justin at Egay Dagay. Tara, tara, ang buhay sadyang masaya, katulad ng dalawa. Bawat sandali ay sila'y laging maligaya. Egay Dagay at Super Justin, ako'y nagiging masaya. Egay Dagay at Super Justin, sa bawat biyahe magkasama. Egay Dagay at Super Justin, inspirasyon ng bawat isa. Egay Dagay at Super Justin, sila'y puno ng ligaya.
Hi, this is Egay Dagay. We're in Venice, Italy. Venice, or Venezia in Italian, is famous for its unique construction as a city built on canals and islands, featuring gondola rides, the famous Rialto Bridge, and historic landmarks such as St. Mark's Basilica. From Venice Marco Polo Airport, we traveled by bus to Piazzale Roma, and it will take you here in Ponte della Constitucion. The bridge is including varying step heights and depth, making it frequent cause of falls, which is considered hard to walk, especially if you have luggage and during a hot weather. We're hungry and let's eat pizza. The pizza is hot and you can taste the ingredients are fresh. Delicioso, or delicious in English. We'll rate it as 8 out of 10. We're in Venezia, Santa Lucia train station. And later this afternoon, we'll take the 5 hours train to Roma. In front of the Santa Lucia train station is the Grand Canal of Venezia. And you can see the Vaporetto or water bus stop just outside. We took the water taxi going to Piazza San Marco or St. Mark's Square, which is the institutional heart of Venice. You can see the niceness of Venice water comes from the combination of its beautiful scenery and the pristine canals, which is regularly maintained. It's mandatory to take photo on the first bridge. Also, you can see the gondola passing by. They say the cost of a 30-minute gondola ride is approximately 80 euros to 110 euros. St. Mark's Square is famous for being the historical, cultural, and institutional heart of Venice, featuring iconic landmarks like St. Mark's Basilica and Doge's Palace. Also, St. Mark's Square was the seat of political and religious power for the Venetian state for centuries. The Rialto Bridge, or Ponte de Rialto in Italian, is famous for being the oldest and most iconic bridge in Venice. It offers stunning views of the walkway with lots of restaurants, souvenir shops, etc. It serves as a vital connection over the Grand Canal for centuries and a vibrant hub of commerce. Hot weather complements the gelato. It's famous for its intensely flavorful and denser, creamier texture, made with more milk, less cream. Delicioso. We'll rate this 9 out of 10. 8 hours stay in Venezia is memorable because of its unique construction as a city built on canals and islands. You should not miss the Vaporetto and go to Piazza San Marco and eat gelato. We're now going to Roma by a first-class train. Thank you for watching the vlog and see you in our next vlog in Roma. See you!
Come and join the ride of lifetime with Super Justin and Egay the Guy. Come on, come on, life should be happy and steady like Egay and Justin. In every vlogs they are always merry and jolly. Egay the Guy and Super Justin, I'm on clouds to be happy. Egay the